Life is not about humans. Life needs breath and enough respite for its soul. Not just humans. Every year humans donate wealth for nature. And garbage is the biggest contribution to the world. Every year, 60-70 million tons are collected by Indonesia for nature. Around 100 to 500 million years, new waste will decompose in general. Plastic has been the biggest enemy of nature. We are not alone, but animals are also friends for nature and humans. Humans are too busy to talk about life. A life that means only humans win. Without thinking about the world. Urban life makes all humans forget. The purpose of life is not to be together again. It's a matter of who can survive to hurt nature. We must save the next generation. They have the right to live properly, move, grow, and be happy being a human. See the whole world. Don't let them stop and go. Humans can be tired because of work. Nature is also tired to struggle too. So please don't be silent with everything that happens in this world. Don't be silent to damage. Before the civilizations was destroyed because of our actions. Let's do this. Small things can change nature. Please save our world and generation. Be safe for all humans, animals, and nature. Thank you.